Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another divorce mortgage planning video quick tip. Why does rapid rescoring matter in a Florida divorce refinance timeline? When a refinance deadline is approaching, rapid credit rescoring can be the difference between loan approval and denial. Not because it repairs credit, but because it can update verified account data in sometimes as little as a week. I've recently published a series of credit focused posts to help family law attorneys and their clients identify the predictable ways credit issues derail otherwise workable settlements. This post continues and builds on that foundation and answers the practical question of how fast can a credit be updated to keep underwriting approval in line with settlement timing. Now, when a settlement plan depends on a refinance, a credit based qualification issue can derail timelines and create enforcement disputes that were avoidable with better forecasting. Our second opinion service provides a mortgage focused review of the client's credit and liabilities so you can see what underwriting will likely accept before settlement terms are finalized. Request a second opinion service review when the refinance equity buyout timeline hinges on a minimum score threshold or a debt to income ratio that is tight. In divorce cases, credit scores can become a legal strategy timing issue, not just a lending issue, because settlement terms often depend on a refinance, equity buyout, or other types of financing. Generally, underwriting cannot give credit for balance changes that have not yet posted to the bureaus, even if the client has already paid the account down. Rapid rescoring can shorten the time between a documented change and when the credit report reflects it. Rapid rescoring, also referred to as credit rescoring, is a lender facilitated process that updates verified account information on the credit report faster than a normal reporting cycle. It is an expedited request that accelerates the reporting of documented changes, such as updated account balances. Although it is not credit repair, think of it as helping to maximize the built in potential of the client's credit report. Rapid rescoring is not for all candidates, but it can be a strong fit when the credit profile is close to qualifying and the following items are present: updated balances that have not yet reflected on the credit report, recent paydowns that need to be documented and updated, other account activity that needs to be updated to reflect current credit status, or removing authorized users from a credit card. The goal is accuracy and speed combined with a potential credit score increase. The real value is getting the updated trade lines reflected in time to avoid costly delays. Rapid rescoring is not a substitute for time. Recent late payments, charge-offs, and major derogatory events still carry their normal impact, and loan program rules may still require seasoning or specific underwriting conditions. For these situations, time since the negative event is often the only realistic remedy. As we summarize part 1, the key takeaway is that rapid rescoring can accelerate the updating of verified trade line data and the resulting credit scores, but is best utilized when the file has built-in score potential and the change can be documented. In part 2, we'll move from concept to execution. I'll walk through the rapid rescoring workflow step by step, what documentation is required, where delays actually occur, what turnaround times are realistic, and how to coordinate the rescore window with the Florida divorce refinance deadline. We'll also cover practical drafting considerations, such as how to align settlement timelines so the refinance doesn't fail, simply because the credit report hasn't caught up to what the client has already done. Do you need to confirm whether rapid rescoring can help a refinance or equity buyout deadline stay on track? Our second opinion service provides a mortgage-focused review of credit, liabilities, and qualifying ability, so your settlement terms align with what underwriting will actually approve. Request your confidential second opinion review so credit timelines are addressed before settlement terms are finalized.